Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Privacy section. Now click on Permission Manager at the top and click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like for example, microphone. Then tap on one of your apps, in my case browser, and click on one of the available options. Allow or deny. I will go with allow, so when I click and go back, against that browser just gained access to my device's microphone. If you want to, you can always click on one of your apps, and instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Browser Permissions. Then manage all of them only for chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!